One of the biggest problems of new content creators is how to start and what to start with. Many people want to start content creation, but they don't know the type of video they should start producing. Welcome to my page. My name is Richard Ogun. If this is your first time of joining me here, please like, share, and comment. Share this video so that more people can watch it. And if you have any question, please leave a comment in the comment section and I'll answer your questions immediately. If you are facing any problem in your Facebook page, in your YouTube channel, just comment and I will assist you and also help you to monetize your Facebook page and monetize your YouTube channel as soon as possible. Having said that, as a new content creator, the first thing you should ask yourself is, what type of content should I produce? To decide on what type of content you need to produce, there are two ways you can use to determine or decide the type of content to produce. Number one is based on your talent and what you have passion for. When you start content creation based on your talent and what you have passion for, it will be very easy for you to excel in that field. An example is teaching. If you're a nursery primary school teacher, secondary school, or university lecturer, you can start content creation as a teacher, teaching the same topic and the same subject you have been teaching your students in school. And a lot of people will be watching your videos. All you need to do is to get a whiteboard and a phone to record yourself. After recording yourself, you just post it on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok, and people will be watching your video. Another example is dancing. A lot of people knows how to dance. They can dance very, very well, and all you need to do is to bring your phone, play a song, and record yourself. After that, you just edit and post it. You can dance different dancing steps. So what are you waiting for? Another example is cooking. You can teach people how to cook. You can teach people how to make their hair. You can teach people how to do furniture. You can teach people anything that you knows how to do well. Believe me that once you're able to do any video and post it on social media, there is people who are ready to watch your video. So don't stay there and say that you don't know what to do, you don't know how to start. Start with what you know how to do, what you know how to do well. From there, then you can move to something else in future. So that's the first thing we are talking about in terms of talent and passion. Start content creation with what you know how to do, what you have passion to do, what you have passion on, so that you will not be looking for video, you will not be looking for content. Someone who knows how to dance don't need stress on what video to produce. The only thing you need to do is to play this song today, dance on it. Tomorrow you play another song, dance a different steps, try a different dancing step, and you see that you have made a lot of videos and people are there to watch you. Number two, the second way to choose the type of content to create is by choosing a high-paying niche. What that means by a high-paying niche? There's some videos that pays you high, while there's some videos that pays you low. A lot of people believe that all the videos pay the same amount, but that's not true. There's some video that has a high CPM rate, while others has a low CPM rate. What does CPM means? CPM simply means cost per mile. This is the amount of money an advertiser is willing to pay for each 1,000 view of his advert. While RPM simply means revenue per mile. This is the amount of money that you get. This is the actual amount of money that you get from each 1,000 view. If you are using YouTube, you understand that YouTube take 45% of whatever been the advertised pays, while you, the content creator, takes 55%. That 55% is your RPM, the revenue per mile. So that RPM differs from one video to another. So whatever the content you are creating determines the type of amount you will be earning at the end of the day. For example, if you are creating videos on entertainment, which entertainment has a very low CPM when compared to investment and finance. Every niche has their CPM rate. Entertainment has one of the lowest CPM rates, while investment and finance has a very high CPM rate. There's a lot of factors that determines how much you earn. Those factors include geography, where people are watching you from. If people are watching you from Africa, you will earn very, very low. But if people are watching you from a developed countries like US, Canada, UK, Australia, Switzerland, you will get a very high CPM rate. And again, other factors that also affect your earning is the type of advert on your video. So I'm going to make another video, which I will add the link here. I'm going to make another video. You can check the link later on, where I will be talking about CPM rates, how to get a very high CPM rate, type of content that will give you a high CPM rate, and so on. So make sure you follow my page. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, follow my page, hit the like button, and share this video for more people to watch. See you in the next video.